great fire. It's going good. Today we're going to be going over the basics of building a fire. To build a successful fire, you need three things. Fuel, which is our kindling, oxygen, which is going to be our plate, and heat, which today, because of how wet it is, we're going to be using a lighter. The next thing we'll need is a safe space to build the fire. At Oxbow Park here, they have campground fire rings already built for you, but there's still some things that you want to check. I want to make sure that there's nothing overhead that's going to catch on fire or that's overhanging the fire that maybe become flammable. The next thing we're going to want to check is the ground. Is the ground good and damp in this situation? In the summertime or in late spring, it may be very dry. So some of these dry leaves are going to get knocked away, or any dry wood or gasoline you're going to want to take away from your fire. And lastly, what I always like to do is make sure I dig down inside my fire pit 4 to 6 inches. This actually helps you expose that dry sand up underneath. So next what you're going to need is a bundle of firewood. If you stop by your grocery store, you can find firewood that is free of pesticides just by checking the label. Today we're going to make a lean-to fire. This allows us to build it from the ground up. You want to have your big block and then put your other logs leaning against. Now the main point is to have access down here to the center. That's where our kindling bundle is going to go, and some of our recycled paper goods to help catch this wood on fire. You can see the wood catch and you can hear it crackling. So one piece is already caught in there. You see how that's caught on fire there? That's what we consider caught. And now this piece of wood is starting to catch. And as that burns, it creates coals on the bottom, and those coals stay hot. You can just build that lean-to fire on top of those as much as you need to. And a great thing about these lean-to fire designs here is you can see straight down into where your coals go. Let's say you overstack this fire. You can always see down into the center there and get more kindling in there if you need to. So now that the fire is good and going, the next major thing we want to make sure we're doing is we have someone standing or being around the fire to tend to it. If you're going outside of sight range, you're going to want to put your fire out so that it's cool to the touch. It is very easy to build it back up once you dig down and get your logs out and all that kind of stuff. So don't worry about it. It won't take you long. It's way better to be safe and to keep the forest around us safe. Thanks for joining us out here at Oxbow. And please remember that it takes all of us to help protect our forests from unnecessary forest fires so that we can all enjoy it and the future generations can enjoy it as well. Please join us next time. Bye.